stupid? Ah. Good morning, Snoggy Ball. Yo, hello there. I wanna test something really quickly, if that's possible. Oops, not that. I wanna see if you can do transform. Flip vertically. Well, I can. Huh. Huh, interesting. So it's upside down now, right? See that? That is interesting. Even the mouse is upside down. So like there could be a challenge, right? Where you have to play a game upside down. And I was thinking about it in bed yesterday. And well, I could just, if I can't make the game by default upside down, I could just use OBS and play there. That would work. I need to get my coffee. Me coffee. I need to get me coffee. I wonder if anyone's gonna notice. I'm just gonna stream like this, and I wonder if anyone's gonna ask what's going on. Just gonna troll them. Let's see. I'm just gonna pretend I've been streaming for a while. What I actually need to do today is improve this system here. This one right here. So we can actually click on those and train them. There we go. Pretty sure there's a string called abilities, right? There is not a string abilities. Alright, let's add one. String abilities. Now we have one, right? Abilities. Huh? Huh? What? Am I stupid? Huh? String abilities. Huh? What? Oh, it was just that slow. I see. String abilities, and then we need to add that to which one was above or below that. That would be skill points. There we go, and then we add that in here. Oops, actually not. Like this. Boom. Boom. Abilities. There we go. Awesome. Very nice. We have that in here. And then I want to center this. Centered. Okay. Display config? Dude, what is this finding? Center. Ah, line center. Okay. Boom. Boom. There we go. Let's see how that looks. It's gotta be the Windows center here though, then. Wait, it doesn't change anything? Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's gotta be the Windows center. Let me see. Windows center. Yo, Sturdy Pose, good morning. How's it going, bro? Pipes? No. Oh, is the bot on? Actually, the bot is not on. I'm out of the loop. Why is the stream upside down? You don't like that? Why is the screen upside down? Yeah, well, it's new tech, you know. Pro streamer. Hello, Verminology. Good morning. Hey, good to see you. YouTube nerfed me this time. Notified me this time. Oh, awesome. Hello, Riley. I love the upside down stream. This is a config challenge of some kind. Coding challenge of some kind. No, essentially, I'm playing Dark Souls on my other YouTube account, right? And every time I die, I spin this wheel. This wheel of pain. Let me find it really quickly. Wheel. Pick a wheel, I think. Yeah, this wheel of pain right here. You see that? And so we wanted to do an upside down challenge, but I couldn't find anything in the game that made it upside down. It's going good, my friend. It's going good. Sturdy Pose. But in OBS, I can just flip this, right? Transform, flip horizontally. And oh god, now it's flipped the other way. Wait, transform, flip vertically, transform, flip horizontally. Yeah. So I could set a hotkey and then play on OBS, on the OBS window, upside down. That flips it up. Yeah, then I have to turn off my main monitor and look at the other monitor. Exactly. I have to play on the other monitor, of course. I have to literally turn off this monitor. Otherwise it wouldn't work, of course. Yeah. True. I do know that. It doesn't flip for me, it flips for you. But yeah, the only way to make that work is if I play on the other monitor. Sus cheat? Yeah, you have to trust me, right? You have to trust me on that. True. Can we get a wheel of pain for programming? Like use only one line or no methods? Or wait, this is your normal way? Ah, shut up. Hello Zed, good morning. My brother, how's it going? Another day. Good to see you back streaming frequently. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I'm trying. Yes, I'm trying. I'm a bit late, but I'm trying. I got like 3 videos done yesterday. Now I just need to upload them. They take a long time to render, man. I will trust you, Cakez. I do not trust you. One thing is certain in my life. Yeah, okay. I mean, yeah, I mean, some people will trust me, some others won't. Some others won't. There is no, for me, there is no point in cheating that. Otherwise, like, yeah, I mean, I'm not a very good actor, you know. By the way, guys, I tested out the Bloons system yesterday, and how they work is different. You click on a hero and then it is stuck to your mouse. Whenever you leave this area, it is stuck to your mouse, and then you can click on the ground to place the hero. Right? It's like select, click, makes a sound effect, and then place. And if you have left this area and then come back to the area again, the hero merges with the bar again. Actually, I want to test out a bit more to answer a few more questions about this. But I could fix this side menu to be exactly like Bloons, and then we could fix this upgrade menu to also be like close to Bloons. Right now, what I'm trying to do is put the abilities to the left align it a little bit, and then put the gold, how much it costs, to the right of it. I wouldn't even trust him to butter toast, babe. Shut up. If I were to fall into a void and you were on an edge and holding my hand, I will trust that you would fuck it up. Ah, fuck off. I'm quite strong, okay? Hello, Mr. Almeida. Good morning. Hello there, sir. Hope you're doing good, brother. I think what we need is a good position. How much do I plus here? Wait, huh? Do button, ability choice position. Okay. Am I stupid? Ah, wait, it's centered there. Cakes, lifts like 7 bananas. Strong ape. Cakes is strong. I'm strong. I weigh almost 110 kilograms. Well, I can deadlift 120. Well, how much is it? 20 on the bar, then 20 to the sides of each. That is 60. Then another 20 to the sides of each. That is 100. 110 is possible for me to lift. If the void is sucking you in, then that would make you weigh more, right? Cakes in the chat have issues. Chat has trust issues and Cakes has skill issues. Fact. Shut the fuck up. Fuck you. Okay, I have an idea. I know, I take the Windows Center. Cakes, your homie. My man, Vevan, yes I am. Good morning. Hope you're doing good, bro. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're having a good day. Man, I have to say, I'm having an insane amount of fun in Dark Souls. I didn't think the game would be this good. It's crazy. You know, like the game, every time you play the game and you make some progress, you think you know the game, and it presents you a new challenge that you have not encountered anywhere before. Right now I'm walking through this dark area. It's awesome. I'm just enjoying this so much. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I wanted to point out that I really appreciate you clipping all of these different clips from the stream, you know. I will definitely use those. And if you have more, I will definitely yeah, I will use those. So I will try to I will download these and then add them to the bot. I really appreciate you doing that, guys. What is this? Ouch. Oh, that one, yeah. Hey, I'm not dead! What happened? I thought I died! That one was good, yeah. That one was really good. I actually thought I died. It was insane. What do we have here? Can I even watch this? From the funny community on Reddit, Japanese ad. Do I even want to watch this? What is wrong with the read? He always has the weirdest things. Dude! I'm not, nope, not getting banned. Absolutely not. Nope. The perfectly, wait, from the perfectly cut screams community on Reddit, perfect woman. It's art cakes, give it a chance. I'm not giving it a chance, absolutely not. She looks quite normal to me, I mean... Aside from, like, you know, the double hair color, I guess.
If you can't handle me at my... You don't deserve me at my...
That's nothing. Hey, that's nothing. Eh? I do this daily. What's wrong with these people? They're pussies. Okay. I mean, yeah. Why is this always white? Oh, there's a new one. I won right, did I win? Mutual destruction? Oh yeah, that one. That was good. I'm not going there. What was that? Mr. Amida, I appreciate it, bro. I just watched it. Watch it on stream. Stare. Oh, down. Oh, God. Ah, yeah, this one. This is where the rats are. I'm good, bro. Nah, I'm good. Yeah. There's got to be a different way back. Yeah, no, absolutely not. These fucking rats. How do I, like, huh? Maybe if we go down... Oh, God. This was so bad, yeah. This is... I'm not gonna go ever back to these fucking rats. What is it? Yeah, the mutual destruction was funny. That was really funny. Oh, shit. I'm so... Relax. Wait, he's dead. Oh, he's dead. Wait, I won, right? Yeah. Did I win? It's a bit long, but thank you, man. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate it very much. That's awesome. And I know that I haven't taken a look at Showcase. Keep posting in Showcase. I'm waiting a bit because we don't have that big community yet. I will take a look at Showcase and then do another Showcase video for YouTube. I think the other Showcase video went very well, you know. People liked it, and I think I want to do this more commonly, you know. So I'm definitely going to take a look at Showcase. I'm not ignoring it. I'm farming messages in there, okay? So that we have more messages to go through whenever I take a look. Right? Maybe we take a look next week on Monday. What do you guys think? Right? So we have some cool and interesting stuff to take a look at there. So keep posting. I will take a look. And then I will make a video out of it. And then we have this eternalized, right? And then, you know, I can link... For those of you who want to, I can link... to your guys' whatever, right? Your guys' work, your guys' channels, stuff like that. I'll have something for Showcase in 2 weeks, and you'll complain there's too much writing, but I don't give a fuck. Hello, Cakes. Hello, Collector of Stuff. Good morning. Good morning, sir. What do we have here? We watched this. That was good. That was really good. Oh, wow. Please rate and roast my pixel art. You should post this. Post this in Showcase, brother. I will take a look on stream. Looks good though. Looks really good. A friend of mine hates this guy's videos. Wait, this one? I find no problem with them, but my friend's problem with the videos are misleading and clickbait titles. At least tell what actually happens in the video, so pressing it is not a waste of time. Wait, what? Cakes would throw a massive tantrum if a compiler update would break his game, which is not likely because he has unspecified behavior. Shut the fuck up! Who's typing that? WGG, fuck you! I don't have unspecified behavior. Stuff like that could drive him towards Zeke. I don't know. Fucking bitch. Fuck you. Feels like too much shadow shade blockness on the clothing. Yeah, it's too many pixels. Multipath for Linux. Cheeseburgers, are you here? Dude, if you think, like, I really appreciate you linking those articles, but I don't know anything about this, okay? The first fucking 5 words, I know 2 of them. I know Linux and I know 4. That's what I know. Like, you can't read this. Man. Oh, tiny C games you can compile and run. This one is interesting. We're gonna take a look at that tomorrow. Awesome. Yo, does anyone know a good, maybe open source 2D skeletal animation program? Absolutely not. I don't know, unfortunately. What is this? How I made what in Geometry Dash? Interesting. Okay. Did I say post shit in Showcase, bro? I wanted to say post this. Wait, why am I saying shit when I want to say this? Hey, what's wrong with me? Anyways, yeah, we're gonna take a look at the other stuff tomorrow, or maybe food. Holy shit! World record size eggs. What are you giving those? What are you giving your Hühner in English? Hühner in English. Chickens. What are you giving your chickens to eat, bro? What the fuck is that size? Goodness. Oh my god, real super cool always. Like, how long did this take you to make, by the way? Evidence about shit calling in stream clips. Autocorrect? There's no autocorrect, right? Cakes. All ho, are you ready today? Hello there, Phil. Yeah, I'm good today. I hope you're doing good too. Good morning. Hungry as fuck. Now I shall make burgers. It takes a while. Yeah, Dad. Yeah, I wonder. Like at least 1 hour at minimum, right? This stuff takes a while. It looks really good though. Very delicious. Yeah. This is crazy. All right. What are you typing? Sorry, pause. I was about to start programming. These look like penises. You're baking a bunch of penises? What is this? I baked? Oh man. Good morning, Ashnobs. Holy moly. What is this? Is this bread? What is that supposed to be? Baguette? Ah, okay. But don't you have to put egg on top so they like raise your dongers? Don't you have to put egg, you coat them with egg so they get very... Musst du die nicht mit Eier bestreichen, damit die schön knusprig oben werden und braun und aufklappen, wie so ein Hügel? Ja! I wish I was English! God damn it! God. Okay, let's begin. Anyways. Fucking hell, man. I could express myself so well in German. It's insane, man. I actually understood what you said. Maybe a little bit of water and that's it. I've seen people use eggs on those. Chat should learn German. Yeah, exactly. You guys need to learn German. I'm gonna switch to German streamer. Exactly. Don't you have to apply an egg wash to make them? What? I didn't say that. All right. So what I want to do today is, yeah, abilities. Yeah, we need a good position here. Oh, that's a long number, bro. Thank you very much for following. Please don't hack me, okay? That's a very long number. Feels like you're trying to hack Twitch or something. I need to figure out a way to like determine the positions properly. Like I know how to get top left, right? Contents. Vec2 top left is window center minus upgrade menu size divided by 2. Right? That's top left. We call it window top left. Okay. Now we can use the window top left to get the position for the abilities. Okay, weil du es bist. Thank you. Another German. Es muss Egg waschen oder beim Brot nicht braun bleiben. Let's start a Duolingo class together. I watch Free Time Development's German stream. I catch maybe 30% of it. He's too fast. Yeah, German's like in every language that is your main language, you eat up certain letters when you speak. And so you don't notice it. And I don't really have an example by hand right now. But doch. Das machen wir schnell. So like I said, we make this fast, right? And I said machen. Eigentlich, in general you say machen. But I said machen, right? So I ate up the E. Right? Stuff like that. I'm not fluent in any way, just conversational. Yeah, I mean that's good enough, right? But like for example, if for me, right, I want to stream in English, I need to be more fluent in English, in my opinion. I need to be able to express myself better. So I'm working on that actively. Takes time, you know, to speak freely. Cakez, I'm from Austria. We mix up entire words, not just letters. Yeah, Austria is even worse. Okay, so we have the window top left now, and then we can add in some vector to, let's say we do a 10 pixel padding. Right, and then we go down by 10 as well. And then we have that window edge X position. There we go. Okay. Also, hi, hello there. My partner is German and she bullies me about pronunciation all the time. Hey, someone is at the door, man. Fuck you. I'm streaming right now, piece of shit. It's not for me. So who gives a shit? Like I didn't order anything. Average German reaction when you need to meet people? Oh, yeah. Maybe we just do window top. I have an idea. Window top center. We get the window top center. Then we put the window top center and add in a vector 2 that is 10 pixels down. Where are we now? Now abilities is in the middle. Awesome. And then we can add in at least 15 pixels. Nice. Who of you is at this door? Yeah. Who of you came here? And then we need to start by thinking about where to place those abilities. Right. We need to get those here. Then we need to do, basically we need to move them, we need to place them to the left and to the right by however many abilities we have available to us. So essentially, let's call this abilities position. Abilities position. And then we can create a new vector 2. Choices position is abilities position. And then that is based on, actually no, we don't need to do that. We do plus vector 2 and then we do minus to the left. That would be the upgrade menu size dot x divided by 2 because we are in the center. And then we add in 20 pixels to go into the middle. Like that. And that's where we put the stuff. Choices position. Do button. If the button is hot, then we do all of that. Yeah. Let's see how that looks. So I'm assuming that you're not living in Germany. Epic Ninja Elephant. Or are you living in Germany? You came over to Germany and met a German partner. Interesting. Yeah, I mean, I do the same actually. I don't know why, but I think it's normal. I don't think it's just a typical normal German thing. I mean, you know, correcting someone. No, she moved to Denmark with me. So abusive. Ah, I see. Oh, I see now. Well, you should be correcting her then. That's what I do. Because, like, she moved from Albania to Germany. And so if she wants to live in Germany, she needs to pronounce things properly. Right? But you're living in... she living in Denmark. She needs to pronounce things like Denmark properly. You don't speak German, like. Okay. This looks like ass, by the way, guys. It looks really bad. And on top of that, I don't like it. I actually don't like it. I'm gonna undo everything I just did. Fuck. I think I had it better before. I like it like this more. Because then after the abilities, right? We can just... how about we right align this? We don't need to align this with center. Because that makes no sense. We just draw a UI sprite. Huh? Oh. Draw UI sprite. Sprite seed, I think. Something. Seed 16, I think it was. Or was it 10? Maybe 10. I don't know. We'll see. Ability, choices, position. A plus vector 2. Some, let's say, 40 pixels. That's it. Let's draw that. Now we are drawing the seed. Right next to it. Looks kinda ass. Yeah, that's fine. It can look like ass. Right now. That's fine. Just need to fix it a little bit. 40 is not enough. How about 60? Or we right align the seed. Seed and number. -3 was not good enough. How about -4? -3. You Germans have so many dialects. I can only understand Hochdeutsch. I think it's one more pixel down. So -2. And then after that, we also need to draw UI number. That would be how many? Let's see. Int upgrade cost would be get upgrade. Get cost to level up. No, get item sell price, skill point, get material index, get ability from list, get ability option recharge, AoE radius, buff, distance, cost, bro. Cost to level up, get hero cost. No! Where do I get the cost to, like, hey? It's gotta be... Okay. Let's mark this. Let's see. Diablo bar. Where do I get the cost here? Green button to scroll. Is active, blah, blah, blah. Content. Unit, okay, unit cost. Draw a unit. Hä? Distance, hä? Hello, Happy Rosenrot. Long time no see. There we go. There it is. Health globe. Energy globe. Skill icons. Added abilities. Button to add abilities. Unlock ability costs. Aha. That's what it is. I get it now. Hero abilities that count. There we go. Yeah, it's the fault of PoE. Really? You're playing PoE? What are you playing right now? That's awesome to hear, man. PoE is a great game. I need to find out a way to be able to play it on stream too. But right now I can only fit in programming and then playing Dark Souls, unfortunately. And I'm still running low on disk space again. Doing it like this. I need to put in the 2 things today. Ability, choices, position plus vector 2. Let's say 70 minus 2. Upgrade cost. Venom Gaia? Oh, that's nice. Which class? 70? Okay, minus 2 not. 70 is a bit much. And then we also need to add in options. First we want to outline. And then we want to also align right. Hopefully 1,000. Let's see, let's put 1,000 here. This is at the most I will ever have, you know, for upgrading. Shit. Oh no. Fuck, bro. I don't know if this will fit. Maybe I need to make this smaller. What do you guys think? Maybe make the font half the size. Did I then jug Berserker with stacking strength? Dark Souls is more fun. Are you guys enjoying the Dark Souls playthrough? I think you do, right? How many of you have played Dark Souls before? How am I doing story-wise, by the way? Progression-wise. Am I doing good? Maybe we do dot font size and say 0.5 instead of rendering options. That would make it half. But it's difficult to see then. Nah, man, that's too small. Maybe 0.75. We enjoy your struggle. Nobody cares if you fail in Dark Souls or VS Code. Interesting. Well, that could work. And then what font was that? Dot material, dot color. That would be color, I think 04, right? Was it? Let me double check. Oh, by the way, why is this? No, that's red. Maybe it was 8. I think 8 was orange. Yeah, so that is the cost. I think that's fine. That being... Actually, I think I want to make the cost that small here too. Guys, do you think the size of this cost is better if it's that small? What is your opinion on that? I think it looks good. And now I need to properly align this, I think. Or let's do 60, 56. Cakez, how is the baby doing? Only 1 month left, right? Are you scared? Pissing your pants a bit, maybe? I'm not scared. I'm actually excited. You know, I'm excited. You know, after seeing how my wife's sister and her baby is doing, I'm actually excited. What I find the funniest is when you pick them up, right, and you hold them like this in front of you, right, you have to hold them so that they have their legs free, they do this. Like they are running themselves. They're so fucking stupid. It's funny. Fucking idiots, right? And so what I like doing is like I pick them up like this, and then I just walk around, and then they think they're walking too. They're really funny. Can't see the icon. Yeah, I'm working on that. Maybe I need to left align the abilities again. So instead of... Yeah, maybe I need to left align it actually. So maybe -10 to the left. Fucking idiots. Yeah, I mean, they are stupid. It's crazy. Yeah, maybe left align. I think left align works. And then maybe with less padding. How about that? Well, I'll have to think about it. I remember the target for the Dark Souls playthrough is less than 200 devs. Good attitude for first kid. We'll have to wait to see. We'll have to wait for your son to grow up and finish coding this game. Ah, shut the fuck up, Bituel. No, you won't. How about... This is gonna be difficult to program. How about this? Now I'm putting in braces. I think that looks better. Cakez, how about naming the baby Asenris? No. No. Absolutely not. What are you talking about, man? It's a girl aware. Hey, that's good too. Hey, hey. Hello, Asen. What is that emote? Oh my god. Oh my man, good morning, sir. How's it going, bro? That's the slowest fucking movement I've ever seen. Goodness. And I hope that wasn't directed against me, okay? I already have a name, but I'm not allowed to tell. Oh, we already have a name. Hey guys, what do you think about this heading? Rate it. From 0 to 10, what do you think about this heading? The heading, not the distribution of abilities down below. 2? Okay, free space is trolling. Guys, give me a fucking rating. Lots of space at the top. Yeah, there will be more stuff at the top, actually. Is the cap 1,000 or more? It will be like in between. Like, it will never be higher than 9,999. Why is the price in braces? Well, I think it makes it clearer that that's the price. Price in red when you don't have enough money, yeah. Exactly. So essentially, let's see here. This is the upgrade cost, right? And actually we need to do upgrade cost first. What about 1,000.00? I don't do it like that. I don't have a way of doing a dot in between. Where the fuck is it? Where is it? Ah, here. I have a better idea. the Y position, and then we take the window center. Window center dot X, add in the upgrade menu size dot X divided by 2. Go minus 10 pixels in, and then we use the Y coordinate here. There we go. It's a long one, like my schlong. Yeah. Then that is the wrong way, always, like always. I always do the wrong one, yeah. And then, now that we have this, I need to... Did it build? Did that build? Let's test if it builds first. That looks good. And minus 10 might be a bit much. Then let's say minus 8 or 6. Right? We want to get as close to the window edge as possible. Now that we have this text, let's do char pointer. Pointer to number. Text is format text. And that would be the same thing here. A percentage D, like that. And then we put in the arcs, that would be 1,000. We go. Now that we have this, what we can do is draw a normal text. There's a reason why I'm doing this. Just wait. Alright, we draw a normal text. There we go. And now what we can do is float, get a text length is get text width, or call it text width, then fine. Text width. And hello there, I get to catch you live. That's cool, my man. Kitna Naomi, first time chatter. Thank you so much, I appreciate it. How did you find me? From YouTube? Which video did you watch? I appreciate it very much that you're tuning in. Welcome, welcome. We are currently trying to make a balloons-like upgrade menu to the left and to the right based on where units are placed. And I'm currently working on this heading right here, trying to make it look really cool. Run while you still can. Ah, stop it. Stop that. Number text. I love your YouTube stuff. Handle there is RMT. We have chatted in comments a lot. I'm usually unconscious right now. Unconscious right now. Why? Because you're sleeping, I hope? Aha. That's a weird thing to say, you know. Yes, lol. Okay, okay. Why don't you just say sleeping? Aha. Wait, didn't you defend my Dark Souls playthrough from the other guy? His criticism was valid. Why would anyone watch me play Dark Souls for the first time, right? Though the appeal of a first timer is always there. But it is a test, and I do notice that most people actually enjoyed the video that watched it. I should have done a better intro though. The intro the intro needed to be better. People, the 50% already left by the time, by 30% into the 30 seconds into the video, 50% already left, which is below typical. Typically at 60% at 30 seconds into the video is normal. 50% is below that. 70% is above that. 70% is good. 60% is normal, 50% is bad. So my intro is bad, essentially. I think I'm rambling too much in the intro. I should have done it faster. Blum, blum, blum. It's not your intro, it's your face. Ah, fuck off, you little fucking bitch. My face is fine. Shut the fuck up. Athano, big fuck, my man. Athano, good morning. How's your C game coming along now? You have something cool to show? If you have something cool to show, you know, you can always show it up on Discord as well. I can make a video about it, you know, as well. Then I can link to your Twitch channel in there too, you know. I'm gonna check out the community creations on Monday next week. Okay, now that we have the text width, right, what we can do is draw the sprite at this, where is that? Where did we put this? Ah, yeah, we need to have a vector to number position. That would be this. It's a bit coding now. It's a bit handy work, but it's fine. And then we should probably do a const here at the top. Const float padding. Put that to 6. Then button to add abilities. How the fuck? Wait, is it actually the one? That's not the one. It's here. Number position. Then we do minus padding. There we go. The reason why I'm using padding here is because I will use it at the top as well. Up here. We just haven't done it yet. Cakez, I will make a video about Athano. Cakez will, yeah. You could check out the source code if you want, Cakez, and we'll be like, oh boy, this needs a lot of work. Yeah, we can do that too, of course. You know, if you post it on Discord and you post a link to the source code too, I'll take a look. I like taking a look at C projects. And maybe, you know, maybe I could give you some hints. Right, I've been doing this for a while now. C like C++. Obviously, not everything will work because you're doing proper C, right? You don't do C like C++. You're doing actual C. Your face is something of a cross between a dried vegetable, something from the depths of the ocean washed ashore, judging by the size of your mouth when you act out your YouTube faces for thumbnails. Shut the fuck up, man. I've always liked doing... I've always done that, okay? Fuck off, bitch. Piss off. And I've always done this. Unfortunately, though, this doesn't do a great thumbnail because it moves too fast. The camera can't catch it, right? It's always a blurry mess when I do that. Unfortunately, I would have done many more thumbnails like that. Yeah, I can't do the rub on the thumbnail because it's too blurry. Unfortunately, I tried many times. You wanna see? I'll show you. What is it? Videos, assets, faces, old. Yeah, this is me pretending that was really bad. But yeah, that's what it looks like. That's what it actually looks like. Terrible, huh? Really bad. You think it's a cool thing to do? No, that's a normal thing for me to do. My brother does it too. That's just how we do things when we are happy. Guten Tag, Herr Kuchens. My man, jealous of choice. Good morning, bro. How are you doing, man? Number position. The reason why I want to do that here, when I have that, number position. There we go. Now that we have this, let's put it here. We can use the number position. Number position. And add in a vector to go minus the text width to the left. There we go. Now this thing should be here. At the very center. Divided by 2, of course. I know what it is. I didn't supply the font size. I'm a stupid idiot. I need to supply the correct font size, which is 0.75. And then it will work. Minus number width. Now it should be perfectly aligned to the left. It is. And then we can do minus 6 pixels to the right. What the fuck did I just do? What did I do? What did I do? Huh? Minus 6. Okay. I didn't touch anything. There we go. And now, why did I do all of this work? Well, glad you asked. The reason why I did this is because I will have different numbers here. It will be 100. It will be 10. And I want the icon to always be right next to the number. That's why I do this. So I'm going from the right size and I'm building this to the left. And over here, I'm going from the left side and I'm building it to the right. And the highest number that I could potentially get is 1,000. And so now that I have seen this, I can probably make the menu smaller. Instead of 100, I think we can get away with 80. That is stretching it. However, we are going to use dot font size of 0.75 for the for the text. We're going to use the smaller font size. Yeah, and now we just need to fix the left side. Is this a little clamped, guys? What do you think? Maybe like 82? Can't you base the width on the string size? What about other languages? What about other languages? Other languages. I will only support one language in the beginning. Wait, let me test something. I need to test something, okay? Everyone thinks they know better, but let me check something. 1,600 reviews recently added. How many languages? Fuck, he has too many languages. French. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See all 6. Japanese. Fuck. Okay. What about German? What about German? Where is my language? I feel, yeah, French? They lost the war! How can they be in there? But not German! We won! We should be in there. This should be German. No one talks French. Bruh. They lost? Yeah, I mean, they ran away, bro. Okay. Well, we'll see, okay? I'll have to test in different languages. So maybe instead of 80, we do... That would be quite a Nazi thing to do, 88. And we're gonna do 86, actually. I think 86 would be a better size. That gives us enough space. Because we will also... I'll add more spacing in between the abilities. And then if the ability is... Germany won against France. Actually, Germans are terrible in English. You're wrong. You're wrong. I don't know a single German that can speak proper English. 90% of Germans I meet are dog shit at English. It is. That's just how it is. No one learns English. We actually have all of the movies translated to German. Every single movie is translated to German. Action movies, fucking even the stupid. Wait, actually, I think Bollywood is still Indish, but I don't know. Oh my god, I hate Bollywood, man. My wife made me watch like 2 or 3 Bollywood films. I hate these movies now. Like I can't. I literally. We wanted to watch a movie, and I went out of the room. I was like, I'm not watching this. Not anymore. Like I have exhausted my entire life supply of Bollywood movies after like 3 movies. Holy shit. Bruh. I'm from India, bruh. I can't stand these movies. They are just way too over the top. Especially since they only cast this one person who is like the perfect person. Every film, he's the perfect human being. No flaws, nothing. It's like, I hate it! It's so... Yeah. And then, like, whenever he's like, the entry is like... And then like he has like this crazy glass, like, boom, camera like swooshing, like so. Oh my god, it's insane. Sounds du oder was? Du Keule? He's jealous of the Bollywood. I'm not jealous at all. I just don't like perfect characters being perfect. I just don't like that. That's oh, okay, music's still going. It feels too fake to me. That's all. I'm not jealous at all. Like, let them do what they want. But if I'm like, I can't watch this anymore. It's too much. I can understand the appeal of it, but it's not for me, right? Anyone that wants to enjoy it, I told my wife, like, more power to you. Watch all of them, all of the movies you want, right? Listen, you can watch as much as you want. Dude. Yeah, I get exhausted watching these. If I watch that movie, I need to watch 5 more movies to calm down. That's just, I can't relax. There are some quality movies among the pile of hot garbage. Even I can't stand them. Cakez is so flawed, he can't imagine having none or less than 10. Shut the fuck up. Listen, man, like, I just don't believe that there is a perfect human being out there, okay? I just don't believe that. Any recommendations of the ones you consider good? Yeah, I mean, you probably have to ask Jealous of Choice. If he's from India and he's saying that, then I like your stance on that, right? To say that they're all good is... probably you are a fanboy. To say that there are some bad, some good, sounds reasonable to me. Asen is the perfect human being. Okay. I did ask Jealous of Choice. Yeah, he can answer you, bro. Relax. Brother, man, what is wrong with you? Asen. Okay, bro. Asen is toxic. That's what he is. Alright, I got totally distracted by that. Sorry. We were doing the, yeah. We have to do this. We have to do a plus here. We turn this into a vector too, right? And then we handle x differently than y. So for example, right? We take the menu size on x. We divide it by 2, of course. Wait, actually. Excuse me, I'm sorry. We just add in a different vector too. Where we go padding. To the left. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. Goodness. And the Dev Dad. Good morning. Thank you very much for raiding. Good morning. How are you doing? Looking for a group. Have a good stream, bro. Oh, you're looking for a group to raid in World of Warcraft? What raid are you doing? Season of Discovery? I see. Well, good luck, bro. Cakes, do you have any Jaffa cakes for today? No, I don't. But I can finally work from home. I have a laptop from my side job, right? And so before I do that, I will go to the store. I'm gonna get myself some Jaffa cakes, bro. Thank you very much for following. Then as coach. Good morning, Poop Maker. What did I... What... The Captain Coda? Like... What are those names, bro? Poop? Ass? You guys are friends? Cakes, I dreamt of you taking out a frozen dish out of your freezer and kissing it on stream. A frozen fish. Is it a goodwill punishment for Dark Souls? What do you say? You know, the funny thing is... What happened to my abilities? Yeah, right. It needs to be minus. I actually have a frozen fish in the freezer, bro. Hey guys, wait, there was no shout out for the dev dad.
Mods, you're not doing your job. Where was the shout out to the dev dad? Huh? No shout out?
I'm gonna give him a shout out. Shout out. Underscore. Like, is the underscore at the end? Yeah. The dev dad. Guys, I'm gonna be a dad soon too. Do I call myself the dev dad too? You have no mods in chat, you retard. Cheeseburgers. Cheeseburgers is not... Yeah, it's good cheeseburgers now, I think. Good cheeseburger. Push is not here, yeah. Teacap is never here. He's only toxic. Coffee Lava is also not here. Anyone wants to be mods to help me out? These mods suck, yeah. They suck all. Are you pregnant? Congrats. Yeah, we are pregnant. I'm not, but my wife is. Huh? How's this? Huh? Ah, yeah, right. Wait, huh? At least the text should be aligned correctly. If we go from the Windows Center and we move to the left, then we are at the top here. And then I add 10 pixels to the right. I should not be outside the window. Huh? Wait, guys, give me a second. I'm confused now. Zend, I can be? Yeah, Zend can be, actually. You can mod me. I will mod you both. First and foremost, Zend is like the kindest person I've ever seen. And AQ, I trust you a lot. Because you are actually a Discord mod. Both of you have been here for a long time. You have been very consistent in being here, which I really appreciate, by the way. And yeah, you're always here. Like, you helped me set up the Discord notifications, AQ. I really appreciate that. And Zend is just always positive. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it, yeah. I don't want mod, I want VIP. Fine. Can I, like, VIP? It only displays a list of VIPs. Can I not VIP someone? Like, do I have to go into the fucking menu? Athano? Oh, I see. No, Athano is VIP. Cool. Awesome. I want VIP too. Fine, you get VIP too. Hello, Post. Hello, Post. Hello, Prodigy Art. Long time no see, bro. How's it going? My man. Guys, you wanna know a crazy story? VIP for me, maybe?
You defended me in the YouTube comments. I really appreciate that. But you gotta be a bit more common here, you know? You can get VIP. Yeah. This gotta be a bit more common, you know? Like a couple of days, at least. Yeah.
Super well, thanks. Fair enough. Prodigy Art, do you guys remember this here? Where's this even? You guys remember the Celeste clone? Was it actually this one? 22 starts, gotta be this one. Where we had different operating systems supported, right? When we go into source, we have the Linux platform here. And then we also have the Windows platform. Windows platform. Prodigy Art actually wrote an entire Mac platform. Months ago. He spent, I don't know how long you spent. You probably spent a couple of months doing that, right? And I yet have to review that and add that into the engine. Then make a video about it. And he's been so patient. He never once, not a single time, did he say, Cakez, you fucking asshole, I wrote all of this for you and you didn't take a look. This is bullshit? Wait. I thought you never wanted mod, that's why... Wait a minute. I vote super cool next, Zend overeat. Wait a minute. You never wanted to be mod. You have to do art that's discarded for him to give you VIP. Ah, okay. Fuck off.
I fucking added your art into my fucking game. Shut the fuck up, okay? It just didn't fucking fit, okay? It was too big.
Hello, long time no see, man, and thank you very much for following. That sounds an awful lot like he gave up on you. No, you know what this is called? You said you were scaling up your fucking UI. Yeah, I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Oops, sorry. I thought I would, but I didn't. Hello there, Unreference. Good morning, sir. And Shy Rain, thank you very much for following too. Fuck, man, this is so, like... Let's just relax. Mr. Coach. Yeah, my art was too big, I know that. But it just didn't work, unfortunately. It did not work. Is that Shady 11? Oh, Muffy, I appreciate it. Thank you very much for following. Always when someone follows, Shady 11 usually does that too. I should shut the fuck up about it so he stops doing it. Good morning, you guys. Human like us made a mistake. Yeah, I made mistakes, exactly. Like, that happens, right? Like, I can't... Like, I tried it out, didn't really work out, was too much work, noticed that it looks like shit. It would have taken way too long to make the UI because I would have needed to draw on way too many things. And so I decided to go back. I can't change that. Like, that just, like, I tried it, you know. You know how many look like shit? No, what I meant is the following. I'll show you. What I mean by that, this looked like shit. I still have it. This stuff right here. It's brown, looks like actual shit. Look at this. This is someone that presses, that's what someone presses out of their asshole. Look how terrible that looks, right? So I decided to change that. No, not you. I never said that. And so I decided to change that, right? And that's just what happened. I even tried out these. I still have them. Never used them. I should probably use them, and they look so cool. Fuck, man. Tried out so many different things. Why would you have that as UI? Well, because I have never done UI before, you know, Snoggy Boy. I tried out different things. I had that too. This is where the time for the level would be, right? Brown is perhaps the most challenging color to get right. Yeah, I think I'm getting it right now here with this. That looks good. Looks good to me. Poop maker, yeah, that looks good to you, bro. I see. I wonder why. If you want, I can give you those assets. Made UI with actual poop. You're the legend. Okay, bro. Anyways, so yeah, that is... Also, the biggest problem we had is, and I still don't know how to fix that, you would need to be able to code to do UI for my game. Or at least, I would need to set you up in a way where, if let's say we would work together on a game, right? And you would want to draw, let's say, UI pieces. Let's say that, right? I would need to set it up in a way there when you start the game like this, a window is open. Oh shit. Okay, that's changed now. Fuck. That's bad. Yeah, I need to fix that. Fuck. I didn't. How did that happen? Anyways, so like what you would need to be able to have this open and then work in like the actual texture atlas of my game, and then save that, export it, and then see the result in game. Otherwise, there's no way you could do UI for the game because you wouldn't have any reference to test it against, if that makes sense. You know that? You know? I would never work with you on a game. My limited pieces for you. You have been nothing but an indecisive nightmare that doesn't know or outline what you want successfully. Yeah, how can I know that if I've never done a game? You know, how can I know that? Obviously, you don't know that. You need to test it. Like, that's what I do. So I test out different things. If they don't work, then I just... let me test this out really quickly here. It's called planning.
Are you fucking stupid? Are you dumb? I already know what type of game I want to make.
Aha. I know what it is. This is it. How big is one of those? Let's see, how big is one of these icons? They will not change in size. I think it's 22, right? 20, yeah, so 10 pixels. Oh wow, that looks much better. Look at this. This is exactly what I want. Now we need to space those out correctly. And then we have it. And then we have our very first line. Let's see. We do 22 here. Let's try 24. I think it's 26 actually. I was working on this amazing tree as well for a menu. Listen. I know that and I apologized a million times. I can't change how it is. And that's why it's better if I just work alone. Right, because I don't know what I need yet. That's just how it is. Wow. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Rizoma suggested me a book to read, and there is a really cool line early on that kind of fits in with what we're talking about. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, yeah, sure. Smiling big, of course. Oh, real Superku made food. What is this? The tree for the... like, but where would that tree be? Where would this tree be? For a menu. Like, where in the game would that tree be? You will never know? Okay, fine. Then don't talk about it. Fine. I think I want to do 26. And then increase the padding. Let's do 26. And then instead of that, we do padding. We turn that to 8. I think a padding of 6 makes the menu a little bit clamped. Let's do 8. Shit! Then I need to make the menu... I actually need to make the menu a bit bigger. Is it 90? Is it 90? Or is it 88? Is it actually 88? That would be so funny. I think it's 88, guys. Yeah, German Nazi number. Was it 89? Yeah, that is what I need. Actually, that's it. That's it. And now I need to do one more thing. For every single one of these abilities, the bottom here needs to be black. Schrutter, my man. Good morning. Long fucking time, man.
Hey Shrupta, how is your job doing, bro? My man, so crazy. Dude,
I'm starting, or I've started a side job too now as well. I'm working for a company to write some PowerShell scripts, but it's only like, you know, mini job basis, you know, just so I could, because I don't know if you know, but my wife is pregnant, so we need the money. Oh, we need a good background for this. That looks bad. Maybe a dark green background. Maybe a brown background. Nah. What about red? That doesn't work. That looks bad. I can't do that. Well, I think green was the best. Yeah, let's do green. All right, and then all of these will be black. Takes a while to add this now, but we need to do that. So that we can have we can differentiate between the menu background and the abilities. Congrats, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm really excited. That's why I've taken everything a lot more serious where I would have before I would have taken it a little bit light. I've always been very serious about what I do, but now like it's reached a new level. For sure. Because I just love streaming and I want to keep doing it, right? So if we have a baby, need to make sure that we can survive and I can still do this. Also, the boss of the new job seems to be very nice. He actually gave me 2 hard drives, old hard drives, from them, with 4 terabyte each. So I can put all my videos on those 2 hard drives. I asked him if I could use them to put videos on there and store them like a bribe. No, that's not a bribe. I just asked him if they have some over. And they don't need them. And he gave, 8 terabytes. I just need to connect them to the computer. I didn't do that yet. I'll do that today. Yeah, very nice. And then I can use them until I buy myself my own. How long until Cakez runs out? Cakez 77 runs out again? This is my situation right now. That's what it looks like right now. And I did 4 videos yesterday. Dark Souls 5 and 6, or no, 6 and 7. 100 gigabytes, 6 gigabytes. Then there's a Diablo 4 clip collection for whenever I want to make a Diablo video. And then Bloons Like Hero Buy, that's the stream from yesterday. And then the OpenGL React. I need to upload all of those today. It's a lot of stuff coming. I can't upload when I stream. I only have 500 gigabyte on my laptop, so bad. Yeah, you run out so fast, especially when you're doing videos. One recording, D4 bad. Yeah, if I want to do another D4 bad video. One recording can take up 100 gigabytes, and that's like a couple of hours at most. Right, it's crazy. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, you know, but... and there's a lot more to learn for me to, like, which encoding, whatever I need to do. Don't know yet. Right? But it looks like that's just how big the files get when you do recordings, right? Full playthroughs. It's like a Let's Plays, right? Record in AV1 that makes the video half the size. But half the size also means less quality, right? What the fuck, Blub? Like, I don't know. I'm totally a noob when it comes to all of this. You know? All I know is when you're uploading to YouTube and you are a smaller channel, you should upload in 1400p. Because that gives you the advanced YouTube encoder, which turns the video less blurry. If you upload in 1080p, then the encoder from YouTube makes your video very blurry. You get block artifacts in them. And so I have to render them higher resolution than my screen at the moment, so that I get a better encoder from YouTube. So they don't turn out that blurry on, the final result is not that blurry. But there's still more to it than that. There's still way more to it. All right, this is what it looks like. What I did now was change this below. What I changed now was this line below. So they actually lift off from the menu. And it looks like they are actual buttons. I think that looks much better. And now this, in my opinion, unless there is like a very long name for abilities. Fähigkeiten in German. Fuck. Let me test something. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Skills. In German it would be skills, not Fähigkeiten. Skills. I would call it skills in German. Yeah. I missed some messages from chat. Let me double check here. Shop down, my man. The objective is this. It's easy to do things the right way and more difficult to do them the wrong way. By introducing examples of good coding practice early, the student will not be motivated to look for a harder and inferior way of coding. So what does that mean, smiling big? What is the meaning of that? So, I don't understand. Like, what is that supposed to mean? Am I so out of touch? No. Thank you, man. I appreciate it, Secret Google Spry. Thank you. Thank you. I do. Gerber, thank you very much for following. Well, going back to work. Code and Green, my man. See you later, bro. Baby survival hardcore. My eyes aren't good, so there's that. D4 badge, only have 50 gigabyte. You miss these cakes? I'm doing good, yes. You don't understand that? No, I don't understand the quote. The quote makes it look like you should do things the right way always, which is weird because how do you know the right way if no one teaches you the right way? It makes it seem like exploring is bad, or maybe I just misunderstand. But that's what I get from this. I could be wrong, but that's what I understand from this. Also, yeah, that's what I get. Could be wrong here. Okay. Warcraft 3 has really good buttons, especially in main menu of it. I mean, you need to know the right ways first, but that's what chat's for. I still have ingrained memory of clicking on battle.net. Alright. We move this down a little bit, let's say by 16. 16 is too much. Let's do 12. 16 is too far down. Alright, okay. Next, now we have abilities done. We need to work on weapons. It shows up the abilities here. How much is it? Okay, we have a lot more time. Awesome. Now I want to click on one of these. First, let's display the actual cost. Implement that first. Let's see. And I want to do it like this. I want to change the for loop. How does Bloons do it? If you have not trained something, let me test. Where's the Bloons first time? Bloons first time. There's a video here. Let's find that. Bloons. Bloons in your gameplay. There we go. When you have a unit that doesn't have it trained yet. That's what it looks like. Okay. Click on one. Come on. There we go. That's what it looks like. So essentially, it shows that you can upgrade. In my case, I would probably have to display either an empty slot with a question mark or a button that clicks and then opens up the skill tree, which then allows you to change. Wait, let me change the sprite here really quickly. Supposed to be those. Looks weird. Yeah, then you can spend skill points, but only if you have skill points available. I don't think really, I don't really think about it like that before, because I'd usually just fail a lot and learn from making mistakes. Maybe that maybe understanding the problem and knowing the process, knowing the accepted way to solve it would reinforce better solutions. Everyone understands it except for him. Don't apologize. There are good practices for coding, Cakes. Separation of concern testing, type safety, prototyping. These are the best taught early on as building blocks of knowledge, but a job of basic programming or programming concepts or object-oriented programming concept. This is how you teach novice coders. Stay away from potholes of bad coding. I have like the complete opposite. I have the complete opposite. How do you say that? I feel like the complete opposite is needed. How do you say that? Opinion, yeah. The complete opposite opinion. You should teach a newcomer nothing. You should teach them to not be afraid of mistakes and just explore. That's what you should teach them. And then figure out on your own why certain things are the way they are. I feel like that's how you learn the most. You become an expert by exploring things that are not worth doing and then knowing why you don't do those. That's how I feel. If you know what's right, how do you know what's wrong? If you only know what's right, how do you know what's wrong? Tell me. You don't. Because you have not done something wrong yet. You have not made mistakes. Isn't that correct? Think about it. Now we have a monologue over a joke. I'm sorry if this has been asked before, but what graphics API or engine is used for this game? We are using OpenGL, and the engine is something I built myself. It's based on this tutorial on YouTube. I made a tutorial series explaining how I did. It's a long one. Basically, I coded the entire engine from scratch in that series. But it's that, basically. Okay, guys. We have the first one down, and we need to speed up this a little bit. Okay, if we click the button. First, we need to check how many do we have this here somewhere. Update hero. Oh, it's an update hero. Interesting. Huh. Very interesting. I mean, it does work. And we are going to extract this out into a function for sure. Yeah. And then I guess we can get... we know that. Let me see here. Color palette 8. We can ask if the game state... You know what? We're getting this at the top here. Float. Seats is game state. Save state. No, actually level state dot seats. That's how many seats we have. And maybe we need to do a reference or a pointer, because I will change the seats. Let's do a float reference. Let's call it seats. Wait, isn't this how we do a reference, guys? Can we not do a reference like this? Eh? Non-const L-value reference of type float cannot bind to a value of unrelated type int. Oh, I see. So it's an int. It's an int reference. That's fine. Let's call it seeds ref. We need to know that this is a reference. Very important when we talk about it later down below. And ref should, you know, give us the opportunity to understand. So we have seeds, reference. If that is less than the cost, the upgrade cost, then we want to draw it in red. Otherwise, we want to draw it in whatever that's called. We have 1 seed, so it should be red now. Awesome. It is red. Really good. Next. Next, we, instead of 1,000, we actually want to draw how many we have. We need upgrade cost. Cakez taught himself coding from legit tutorials, acknowledged by programmers who seldom have university education as reference, and he considers himself a wild or unbound coder.
Are you fucking stupid? I watched many tutorials, yeah.
But I found out that exploring is the best thing to learn. What are you talking about? Eh? That actually got taught by me by Jonathan Blow and Handmade Hero. They encourage you to go on your own and just write down the code that you think will work and solve the problem. They are basically saying the same thing that I'm saying, bro. Jonathan Blow mentioned, yeah, that is, it is. 40, okay, cool. That is our first upgrade. And now we need to give them a color. Where is text, ability name, description? How is it in balloons if you don't have the money to upgrade? It shows this and it's the gray, it's a gray background. Okay. Let me think. It's a gray background. Shows the number in red. Wait, I have an idea. Actually have a cool idea. Where's the sprite for the button? Guys, I need to go to the bathroom. Looks like, fuck. Name, description. Where's the icon? There's the button. Sprite ID. We have draw data here. So if seeds reference is less greater than the upgrade cost, then we use .animation index is 1, otherwise 0. Watch this. Right now they are gray, right? And maybe I change that background to be actual gray. Watch. Now they are green. What do you think? If I have enough money, they are green. Isn't that smart? Guys, I need to go to the bathroom really quickly. You can watch those two. Make it full gray, but yes, nice. Yeah, I need to make it a better gray, 100%. Be right back really quickly. 9,9,9. How it's amazing how all the clips are Cakes being angry. I have more clips. I just need to edit them. It's like a one export really quickly. I tried to explain it to Cakes and he couldn't visualize it, so let's see if you can. It's going to be a pause menu using arrows as a pointed for options over the target, and I was going to animate the oddly falling in, but he said it didn't make sense, he couldn't visualize it. Cakes, did you hear that some place in northern Germany will be trying to use Linux again? No, and I don't care. They can use Linux. How many clips did you guys spam? Hey, Abef, I thought you fixed the queue. It's not supposed to. Maybe I didn't pull. Anyways, we need to get this done here. Come on. I'm going to enter flow state now and quickly upgrade add in the upgrading. Shouldn't it be seeds rev greater equals upgrade costs? Right, you're right. Let me fix that error really quickly. Otherwise, that propagates. Thank you. Am I blind? Am I actually blind? Thank you. Appreciate it very much, bro. This is in Hero Bar. Let me find that really quick. Lee. Energy Globe. Skill icons, added abilities. And cooldown. Draw ability with socket to button. If it's hot, display ability description button to add abilities. Upgrade cost. Color. Draw number. Do button. Push modal. Add ability. Okay, add ability. If it's an active modal. If we click the escape key, we push it back out. If we click the back button, we push it back out. Get ability options. Then we get all of the possible abilities. And ability choice. We display the description. We pop active modal. And we add the ability choice. That's what I do. And we do minus the upgrade cost. So essentially what I'm already doing here. So seed reference minus equals upgrade cost. And then we add the ability in. There we go. And then once we have done that, we should be good. So that was actually very easy. It's much easier than the other menu. Watch. Awesome. And he doesn't have abilities here. Now we need to work on the empty sockets. Right? So let's say a unit here. This one is not tier 1, tier 0, but tier 1, right? Let's put this guy here. We need to draw an empty socket. Let's see. How do I do that? I need to be able to know. I mean, we do have the ability choices position. So essentially we can, I think we can just do an if check here. Let me check here. How long is this? How big is this array? Max bar abilities. Yeah. I think at most we have 3 choices for each. So it's less than. We're gonna hard code 3 here. Is there an empty one that I could draw? I guess we could draw... we could draw a question mark. And maybe like an outline? Do we have an empty ability? Let's see, assets. Ability. Ability socket. Let's try that. Let's draw this. Oops. Draw UI sprite. We draw a socket at the ability choice position. Let's draw that. Oh, I can't program. We do this. We go from count. This is a for loop for int empty index is this, and while that empty index is less than 3. Let me see, 2, it would draw 1. If we have 2, then we would draw 1. Empty index plus plus. Huh? Oh, I see. Then we draw this. Let's see. It should draw me 1 here, hopefully. But it's also... Aha! Okay, cool. Nice. And then we can draw another one. A question mark. Semicolon? Yeah, missed that. It's a bit big, bro. Yeah. Oh, we have a smaller one here, but it looks dark. Let me draw one really quickly. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna fill this in. How do we do this? Oops. Oh yeah, we wanted to make it gray anyways, right? I wonder if that gray is enough. Is this gray enough? This looks more gray to me. And then we add in a question mark in white on it. I hate the pixel perfect, it's really annoying. Doesn't really work. What do you guys think? Maybe it should be this. No, that looks bad. Looking a bit better. That is looking hot. It's looking hot too. Very nice. Okay, now we're going to add a outline to this. Because it makes it pop. Very cool song. I wonder who added that, or is this just from Spotify? Really good one. Then we get rid of the question mark. I've added the song. Really good one, bro. Alright. What do you guys think? We can't click it. But I feel like it's too bright. It's gotta be too dark. It needs to be dark. So maybe instead of this, we do an actual dark one. I think that's better. That works a lot better. Yeah, this is better. A bit darker, yeah, looks out of place otherwise, yeah. This looks better. Okay, cool. Maybe move down this by 1 pixel, but I think if I move it down, it would collide with this. Too big or too bright, just make your mom's ass cheeks in the moonlight. Shut the fuck up, bro. Fuck off. Okay, cool. Now we have this. We can add those abilities here. Like this. Wait a minute. Oh, I thought this was Heroes of Might and Magic, the song. Okay, cool. We have those now. We can upgrade. And I suppose next is the weapons, actually. Let's see, how are we doing on time? We still have time, guys. You wanna do weapons? That song sounds like a town from Heroes of Might and Magic 4. I'm 100% certain. Yeah, I think it is, actually. Are you shipping, son? Yeah! I'm working on turning 1, 2, 3 into 1, 2. Yep. Smart, right? Okay. I think I need to make this visually better. Still, this needs to be red instead of gray, and it needs to be a bit darker, but we'll figure that out too. I hope this is not the final design of the empty bracket. What's your problem with this? What's your problem with this? Tell me. I think it's good. Why do you not like this? I think it's great. Right? Wrong click, sorry. Sorry about that. Okay, now let's speed run the weapons. Oh god, okay. The weapons, man. Goodness. Now that we have this, we can use the contents position. That would turn the weapons to where the abilities are. Exactly on top of the abilities. Now we could say, well, fine. After the weapons, we do contents position dot y plus equals 40. And then we can now... Ponkis, hello there, man. Good morning. The new keyboard since I was last here sounds tastier and mechanical now. I have two keyboards. But I'm using this now because I'm no longer in the bedroom. I'm here. Does it show? Yeah. I'm in the room before the kitchen. The kitchen is right there. And I moved there. I moved here because in this room I don't disturb my wife when she's sleeping, and I can literally at 3 a.m. in the morning I can record a video if I want to, and I've done so. It literally helped me be more productive, and I don't disturb her, which is awesome. Very important. Yeah. Alright, so let's change this up really quickly here. The weapons should be left aligned, outlined. I wonder why it's still so far to the left. I see, it needs to be minus. There we go, and then we do a font size thing. Let's speed run the weapons here. Outline already. Very good. And then next we need to do the upgrades. The upgrade text. And we yoink that from window edge position. We need that. We need to know the upgrade cost. We need to yoink a couple of things, and I'm just going to actually yoink it. Then the text position and draw the text. And then the sprite with the seed. I feel like this could be a function. Guys, I have a question. This can be a function, and I would like to turn this into a function. But I want this to be an internal function. Unfortunately, C++ doesn't allow that. Fuck. Shit. It's a lot of code that repeats. Fine. Actually, I'm just gonna repeat the code. It's only going to repeat one more time after this. So, whatever. Right? It is how it is. C sucks, C++ sucks like that. Internal function, what do you mean by that? A function inside a function. A lambda function, but without being lambda, because I know they introduce some overhead if there's an issue. Yeah. Unfortunately. Uncle Bob says, clean your code, yeah. We need to create a string called weapons. There we go. Click the wrong fucking button, of course. Then we do string weapons. The weapon choice position, we have that here. And then the number text, that's the upgrade cost. That is ability unlock costs, that would be weapon unlock. Huh? Item unlock cost? Item upgrade costs, okay. I appreciate it. I appreciate the following. Yeah, thank you, Patchy and Respo. Thank you, guys. That would be hero, weapons. Wait, hero? Weapon choices.count. Yeah. How many weapons we have? Then we have the upgrade cost. We add the upgrade cost. Text with. Number position would be the weapon choice position. Number position. Do we have enough seats? We draw the seat, and then this text can go away. And then plus 16. That would be the heading, and we can turn this into its own local scope. That would be a function, right? I would turn this into a locally... I would turn this into a locally scoped function, if I could. I would call this, I don't know, draw heading, right? That's what I would do. I would love to do that, like a void, you know, draw heading takes in like some position. Something like that, right? Unfortunately, I'm just gonna duplicate the code. It's fine. Yeah, see that? Now we have weapons. They cost 60. And the only thing we really need to do is... Oh shit, I have a meeting. Catch you later. Peace, peace. My man, smiling big. See you later, bro. Let's see, do you have any cool suggestions? Yeah, lambda function. Yeah, unfortunately. I really need sleep. Yeah, I slept long today as well. You need that. It's very important. Duplication is not a crime. Yeah, I'm duplicating it 3 times in this case. For the abilities, for the weapons, and for the armor pieces below here. Exactly. And now we need to also duplicate this menu right here. So basically... we need to duplicate the for loop, which we already did, and then check if it's hot. Basically duplicate that. Fuck. Man. This has to be a function. It has to be a function, man. Nah, whatever. We're just gonna hard code it. It is how it is. It's fine. Yeah, exactly. It's... God damn it. Yeah, the for loop here. It's in the for loop, but I just copied, right? Yikes. Just use the refactor functionality of your IDE to extract it as a function. I can't really, because it is a little different. If I click the button here, I do a different thing. So I need to have some sort of callback or like a boolean if that function needs to return a boolean. If I click that, I need to supply a unique ID. I need to supply a description. I need to supply... I don't even know if I have a name for weapons. I think I do. If only everything wasn't in a single class, ... That wouldn't make any difference, bro. It doesn't make any difference. What we have here, the actual problem that we have here is we have a... what is it called? We have a series of instructions that repeat in 3 places. That is the actual problem. Whether we have a class as a background, a function as a background, a piece of code as a background, just one text file, it doesn't matter. We have a series of instructions that repeat. And I would like to have better control over that. So guys, C++ nerds, I know we have them. I have a question. What is the bad thing about the following? Goddamn ads right as it gets spicy. Okay, I'll wait. I'll wait for you. We'll just wait. I'm gonna wait for you, bro. Yeah, there, I fixed it. +1, boys! I appreciate it, Skirp. Okay, so what is the big deal or the problem with the following? Watch. I don't even know what to call it. Sum function. I don't know, we'll see. And then we have the capture block, right? Let's say it captures everything. And then we have the actual function, right? And I think we have to do equals, as far as I know. Yes. Captures everything by reference. My question is, what is the problem? Maybe performance? With this. Why would this be bad? I know Handmade Hero can explain it. But just all 3 and let the compiler worry. No, I'm gonna do it this way. I just want to know what the problem with this is. I have no idea. I would have to see what it compiles to. I see. So you guys don't know either. I know that, like, if TCAP was here, he could tell me to. Handmade Hero could tell me to. There is a reason why this is not good. But whatever, right? Let's just do it. We call it, I don't know yet. And we capture everything we need for now. We capture everything at the moment. So what do we need to do? Well, we need to... Let's see. We need to display the heading. Draw a sprite here. Then we need to... Oh my god, we need to change a position. Oh, I think what it is. This isn't good because you capture everything, yeah. Okay, let me think here. I know... Isn't this a lambda? This is a lambda, yeah. Atano. I don't even think we can do this. Unless we need 2 lambda functions. Let's see. Let's just test if we can do that. So what do we need here? First, we need a string ID for the heading, right? Then we need a vector2 for the position. We need to capture the window center by copy. We can reference it as well. We need an upgrade cost. We need to capture the padding. This is a const reference, actually. I wonder if that works. Weird. Okay. Upgrade menu size. We need the upgrade menu size. And at this point, I need to have 2 lines. Okay. We need to have a reference to our seats. I wonder how that is captured as a reference. Can we do a reference to a reference? And then the position needs to be a reference. Which is bad. Also, why is this white? Okay, was just lagging. Okay, that would be a draw heading. We give it a string, heading name, position, and an upgrade cost. Let's try this. Down here, we draw heading. Why do you not know this? Did I misspell? Ah, I see. I need to actually do it like that. Okay. What do we need? A heading name. That would be string abilities. Then a position. That would be the ability choices position. And then an upgrade cost. And essentially, we should be able to just get rid of all of this. In theory, right? In theory. Dude, I'm good. I'm good. Holy shit. Bruh, look at this programmer. Holy fucking shit. You forgot to use string ID in this method. There is const value in function. Oh, I see. Thank you very much. I forgot to use the string ID. I appreciate it, bro. What a nice comment. Thank you, man. Weapon choices position. Upgrade cost. Thank you. Let's change that. Oops. Heading name. All right. Good. Okay. Now we have weapons in there. We can build, right? And now we need to... excuse me. We need to fix this. How do we do that? We need to do a button. We need to check if it's hot. We need the submenu animation time for that. So we need, wait, we need to do a button. We need to check if it's hot. Then we need to change the position. We need to do all of that. That would be another function. And that would be an auto draw choice. But now I have a question. This is a little bit more difficult. Right. I appreciate the follow. Thank you. Cat Lee Renner. I appreciate the follow. Thank you very much. Welcome. So here's a question. Let me move that to the left. True to the left. All right. So how can I make this return a Boolean? What I need to do here is return this function call. No, actually, wait. Let me think. Let me double check. Have to yoink this. But yeah, we have to return. Let me check. Fuck, if I return. I guess we return true and do this. This is a little bit more code here because we still have to change the position. So first I guess we have a vector2 reference for position. Let me change that here. Then this is something we do outside. We need the seeds as well. I guess we capture this. By the way, guys, the seeds reference, do I have to do can I do it like this? Does it work too? Or do I have to capture the reference by reference? Those of you who have used lambdas a lot, do I have to capture a reference by reference, or can I copy the reference? So like if this was a pointer, I would just copy the pointer because the pointer is a number. I think I don't have to do this, right? And then we also need a sprite ID. Sprite ID. Button icon. Yeah, that would be the button icon here. Then we need a button ID. We need an upgrade cost. I guess we put the button ID after the position. An upgrade, int upgrade cost. And now we have that. Aha, one is hot. I wonder if that works. We need a boolean here. We need to capture that by reference. So there's another boolean. Oh god. Oh, this gets big. Diamond, good morning. My favorite angry German programmer. I appreciate it, bro. I'm not angry. Depends if you want to keep the value as it is now or access it once the lambda fires. The value could change in the meantime. No, my question is, use the reference, otherwise it will be copied from the input reference. Wait, what does it mean? Or use it as a primitive, you can create a copy of it, you won't lose pretty much anything. No, guys, like the question is the following. If I capture a reference and then change the reference. Okay, I'm gonna draw you guys a picture. Okay? Watch. This is memory. Okay? Okay, and then we have some slots in here. All right. And now I have my reference. Seeds reference points to that location. Right? And in here, over like 4 blocks is, I don't know, let's say 1,000, right? I don't know, this is then like 1,000 here, right? Let's just pretend that's how it is written, right? Which is not wrong, not correct. Now, if I now supply this into a lambda function, right? My lambda is seeds ref. And in this, I hate this, you know, I really do. I clicked the wrong button. Lambda is seeds ref, right? Like this, and then this. And then all I, no. Dude, stop. I can't use the spacebar anymore. I'm losing it. Seeds ref minus equals 100. Ben Rail, thank you so much for subscribing, man. I appreciate it, bro. Thank you. So, will this propagate to the memory location? Will this propagate? Will this propagate? Or, aka, change the memory? That's the question. Oh, stop it! With the fucking clips! Who's clipping? Sturdy, stop. It will change the memory. Thank you. Then I don't need to capture this by reference. I can capture it like this. Me? Fuck you! And hello. Okay, we need another one. Another boolean. Bool reference 1 is hot. Good. Oh god. Then we need more. We need so many things here. Oh god. Yeah. We need a char for the description. Pointer. Oh god. We have the description here. The bounce has to window edge position. Description offset direction. I wonder if this is calculated here. Then we can capture this. Good. Window edge X position. Can I calculate this myself? We can calculate this ourselves. You're just creating an opaque copy without it? You need an L value, not an R value? See guys, this is why I don't use references. Because this question would not even be a problem if I just had a pointer. If I had a pointer, then this, I would supply this pointer, done. Because a pointer is a number. No, dude, that's a skill issue. Jesus, reference by any will be a const opaque copy of the value. Reference by any will inherit the outer reference. It will give you the ability to modify the local copy. So essentially this creates a copy. Is what you're saying. What you're saying is this creates a copy of seeds. Even though this is a reference to begin. You know what? I'm just gonna test it out. You know what? I can listen to all of the different answers. I have a better idea. How about we just test it out? Wild, huh? I know. We need the window center. We have this. We have the upgrade menu size. Yes, we have that in a second. And then we have the window edge X position. Which actually we can... Lol, we can copy this out totally because it's here. And we can even turn this into a const. Lol. And then how about we just get that here? We need the bounce too. Like bouncing on your mama's titties. Bounce. Very nice. We're getting there, boys. We need a name, a description and a name. Yeah, check character pointer. That is a name ID. Right? Ability.name. That is a name ID. So it's a string ID. And then ability description. Whew, man, that's a lot. Ability description, and then that would be ability name. And over here we have ability description. And then over here we use position. Holy shit, that was a lot. That was a lot of code. That is draw heading, and then we have draw choice. And it looks like I have indented those, like chat's head. I wanna test something. I don't believe this, actually. Guys on YouTube, have you not written a single comment since the stream started? You guys have all written a comment. You guys have all written a comment. You know what YouTube showed me up until this point? These 3 messages. The entire stream, I only saw these 3 messages. I was like, okay, YouTube is chilling. They're just chilling. Nothing, no one types. They're just enjoying the stream, having fun. I'm very sorry. YouTube bugged. Can't even display a simple chat. Sorry about this, guys. I'm gonna read the messages now. Does your hot reloading have any restrictions? Yes, I can't change memory. I cannot change the underlying memory. If I have a structure that has 5 ints, I add a 6th into it, I have to restart the game. That's one restriction. Your English is actually pretty good. Thank you. Gut gesagt. Danke. Hi. 10 out of 10. Hi. His name is Hi. Guys, his name is Hi. And he said hi. Lol. Wait a minute. He's in Twitch. How about in YouTube, man? Yeah, I'm sorry. 1,000 each. Sorry, I didn't read the messages. Needs one of those plugins to display YouTube and Twitch chat together. Hello. YouTube thought you were ignoring them. Yeah, usually people do that, but I don't. I can read both chats if they work. That is. Yeah, I'm sorry about that, guys. People have had attention span, so always best to judge. Always best to just get to the point in videos. Haha. People have bad attention spans. Yeah. Hey everyone, I wanted to introduce myself. I'm a game developer who is learning Android development for a hobby project with Kotlin and Jetpack. Compose. Okay, first time seeing live streams. Loving it. Thank you. I appreciate it, man. Welcome. Sounds like a fun project. What type of game are you making? Yeah, you're going to do a pretty much big refactor when you start introducing languages, especially white character ones. Yeah, I can see that coming, man. There's a Bollywood Henry Potter bro. Almost shat myself laughing. Really, Omega Destroyer? What the fuck? Keep up the work, man. Good work. Thank you. Thank you. Are you using OpenGL? Yes, I am. Hello from Circassia? What is that? Do you use modern C++ idioms in your code base? No, I don't. Except for the Lambda, I guess. Ref by ref. If you copy captcha, it will create a temporary. Reference by reference. If you copy captcha, it will create a temporary. This is why C++ is dog shit. 100%. How long have you been making your game? About 2.5 years. Hi Cakez. I got inspired from you and I'm trying to make a game in C++. How can I set up my project with Raylib? You're still here, Robin. If you're still on YouTube, tell me, like, write a comment on YouTube to tell me if it's still here. What C++ library do you use to write a game? The engine is based on this. Yes, you are. Well, you can take a look. It depends. Like, how can I set up a project with Raylib? Well, unfortunately, it's not as easy as in Odin, right? You need the source. God. Right, let's see releases. Oh God. You need the MSVC zip. If you use MSVC, CMake. Yeah, it depends on your project, bro. Like, I use it differently than everyone else. So I can't really tell you 100% how to get it because I don't know what type of project you're using. But essentially you need this if you use MSVC, which is very likely. And then when you extract that out, what you need from this folder is the include. This one here. Oh wow, that's actually really easy. And you need to link the library, the raylib.lib. How that looks in MSVC is like this. Where's my code? I have two. But essentially what you need to do is you need to include a directory. That would be, you know, supposedly that include folder here, right? So you need those in a certain folder, and then you add that include the directory to your command. Usually that is done by doing -i on your compiler. If you don't use CMake, in CMake it's different. I don't use CMake, but essentially you need to include the directory based on what compiler you use, and then you need to link the library. And for that, you need to specify a library path to the compiler in which folder to look. In my case, I have all of my libraries. I use some libraries in third party. And you can see I have FreeType, KHR, lib, SDL2. And in there, in the lib folder actually, there I have these .lib files. And so for Raylib, you would have, you know, a lib folder as well. And then you would put all of this stuff, you would extract it out and put it in your lib folder. And then you link the -l raylib.lib file. This one right here. That's what you would do. You have to do the same thing in CMake, but all of the commands I just showed you, you have to use CMake's programming language if you use CMake. Or you have to do it entirely different. But Raylib is literally just include the directory, link the library, and you're good to go. And then you should be able in the code file, you should be able to just include like this, so it looks in a path. And in this case, it would be, for me, it would be SDL2. For you, it would be, you know, if you call it Raylib, right? And then raylib.h. That's what it would look like for you. That's the entire process. That's all you have to do, essentially. Unless you have to define some like Raylib main handled. Raylib has its own CMake template, yeah, but not everyone wants to use CMake, because if you invoke your CMake and then Raylib CMake, it slows down a little bit, but basically you have to do the same thing in CMake or just call Raylib's CMake. I don't know anything about CMake, but that's what you have to do to get Raylib. What was I doing? I'm sorry that I didn't read the YouTube comments. It wasn't on purpose. What were we doing? Oh yeah, we were just testing the draw choice. If this works, we are actually done. Then I can code the rest on my own. I think it should just be called name. And description, because it's generic. Let me double check something really quickly. I hate that this is always showing up. Makes the thing smaller. Okay. Abilities, draw abilities, contents. Abilities, ability choice position, window edge position, that needs to go away. We don't need that. Upgrade costs, draw heading. Yes. One is hot. Button ID, ability, and then draw, choice. Okay, we need a lot. We need the button icon. That is ability.sprite ID. Then we need the reference to the position, which would be ability choice position. Then we need the button ID. We need the upgrade cost. And at this point, I'm just going to break this up. One is hit. One is hot. Yeah, one is hot. The string name. Ability name. And then the ability.description. There we go. And this is an if check. Hopefully that works. And I think this has to be done at the very bottom. Oh man. If this works, then that's awesome. I don't think I need the seats ref anymore, by the way. Do we? Actually, we do. Guys, I wonder if this works. Shit. It's not supposed to do that. I see. I see now. I can click on this even though I don't have the money. Now I'm in minus. Wait a minute. Thanks, man. Saved me a lot of work. Appreciate. Yeah, sure, bro. Sure, bro. Okay, we can only click the button if we can actually upgrade. Let's see. Okay, let's restart here. Wow! Ice shot explosive arrow, it just works. Awesome. Guys, it just works. Dude! I wonder if I can do the same thing for the weapons. If this works for the weapons, then we are golden. Lol? What if the green upgrade flashes? Let me see here. Where is draw weapon upgrades? There we go. We have the heading for every weapon. We have the weapon data. We want to draw a choice. The weapon data dot sprite ID. Position would be weapon choices position. Button ID would be button ID. We don't have a button ID yet, but we get one. Upgrade cost. Guys, is this from the playlist? Are you queue? Is there something in queue? No, it's not. Is it? Was this song requested? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm a fucking idiot. I'm very sorry. I'm an idiot. That's Pinwheel, your favorite boss. I appreciate. Thank you very much for following, Falling Sumo. Shit. The link is not recognized. You need to do a proper Spotify link. Maybe you accidentally copied the wrong one. Okay, let me see. One is hot. We need that. Bool, static. Actually, one is hot. I see. It's set to... Only one can be hot, actually. So we can get this out and put it at the very top here. I think that's fine. Then we have one is hot. The string name. Weapon data.name, is that a string ID? Eh? We should have a name. Ah, it's a... I see. I don't have names for the weapons yet. I need name IDs. Fine. Then we just do a string cleanse for now. Description. Okay, the one thing that irks me a little bit, it's not animating the time. It's not animating this timer here. So there is certainly this submenu animation time. There is something I'm not doing. I see. This one is hot. This. I wonder where I put that. I guess maybe very far down below all of the options. Outside here. I think that works. Cool. Guys, I think... I think we have it. We have a very good system now where I can display all of these different choices using one function. Yeah, look at that. Now, it looks like for the description, it looks like the menu is a little bit too small. Yeah, that looks good. Now I just don't have a name for the weapon, but that's something I have to change. Okay, cool. I'm happy. We made a lot of progress today, and I think I can quickly also add in the weapons, because that is not much actually. Let's try 60. Thank you very much for subscribing to YouTube, bro. Draw armor upgrades. Call it equipment. Draw equipment upgrades. Yes, upgrade cost, that would be item upgrade costs, yes. That would be F12 equip upgrades. That would be item upgrades, I think. Yes, that's item upgrades, right? Huh? No? Ah, it's called armor upgrades, okay. Let me rename that really quickly to equipment upgrades. There we go. Wait. Did I not type this correctly? Equipment upgrades. There we go. Equip upgrades, choices. Let's call it equip index. Get data, that would be the let's call it item data, and then we draw the choice. I think that's actually the same. I think that's how easy it is. Oh wow, lol. It just works. Now 60 was a bit much. Looks like 40 looks good enough. And now we have an entire upgrade menu of stuff that we can upgrade our unit with. There we go. This is the menu that I wanted to have. Now we can improve this menu, obviously, right? Make it better. Maybe instead of 40, we do 44 for all of those. But that's essentially it. Obviously, a couple of nooks and crannies can be had here. I think you also need to change the upgrade cost because you indexed it by weapon choice count. I did. Did I do that? Oh, here. Yes, thank you. Where is it? Thank you very much. Now, item upgrade costs. This is a merged array. That is both true for the weapons and the items and the equipment. So, but yeah, thank you. Now, this is actually the correct array. And the cool thing is, we can now change the size for this to be 120 because I think the menu is a bit too large. 120 would be too small, I think. Yeah, 120 is too small. Let's try 30. Awesome. And now the last thing that we could maybe do later on is have some cool, I don't know, like underline stuff like that, right? Because right now this looks like a weird list of stuff to upgrade, right? Is width okay? Equipment gonna be a few letters longer. Let's see. Let's try 1,000 here. I mean, yeah, yeah, we'll worry about this another time, okay? Like, yeah. The index was bad? Oh, thank you. Yeah. The armor choices, thank you. Of course. Atesurata, Ausrüstung. Ah, thank you. Holy shit, I'm so bad. I'm so bad. Thank you. My God, I made so many mistakes. Yeah, this is the problem with copy paste. Okay, guys, this is going to be it for programming today. We're going to switch over to Dark Souls now. Holy shit. We went on for 3 hours, but we made good, very, very good progress. I'm very happy. This is the new upgrade menu. It's not perfect. It can definitely be improved. I will improve it over time. But that is currently how it is going to be. Very happy about it. And now we only have 2 clicks. We need to improve the UI here a little bit. Finally some good coding shit done, yep. Alright, we need the wheel for Dark Souls. Close all of this stuff. Dark Souls Remastered. Open. There we go. On YouTube, guys, I'm going to switch over to my other YouTube account where I do gaming stuff. I'm gonna stream there. If any one of you wants to follow along with me playing Dark Souls, you can find me here. I don't think I need to change anything there. So for those of you on YouTube, I'm sorry that I missed the messages. I will see you all tomorrow, and I really appreciate everyone that has been tuning in and watching. See you tomorrow, guys. Peace. Have a great day.